Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and today I am presenting you a new question which recently came into CKA exam. This question is related to Helm, which is added in this new pattern of the CKA examination after February 2025. So before starting the question, please subscribe my channel, and if you have not seen my previous questions which recently came in examination, please look into this and do the practice. Almost similar question will come in the examination. Now let's go to this question. So this is question related to installation of chart in cluster. So this is the question: install Argo CD in cluster. Add the official Argo CD Helm repository with the name Argo using below URL. So in exam, this URL will be given to you. The Argo CD CRDs have already been pre-installed in the cluster. You don't need to install the CRDs. Next part is generate a Helm template of the Argo CD Helm chart version 7.7.3 for the Argo CD namespace and save to this file. Configure the chart to not install CRDs. Okay. So in this case, you have to make sure that you should not install CRDs because CRDs are already installed. And third part is that install Argo CD using Helm and with the release name Argo CD, choosing the same version as above and configuration as used in the template 7.7.3. Install it in the Argo CD namespace and configure it to not install CRDs. In this case, you have to make sure that CRD should not be installed. You do not need to configure access to the Argo CD server UI. So this question has three parts. So first, go to your console and check Helm report. So as of now, it is showing no repositories there. When you do the practice for this question, you have to install Helm in your lab. Now add the repository. First part is add the official Argo CD Helm repository with the name Argo using the below URL. Helm to add Argo CD. The name is Argo, not Argo CD, and give the URL which is given in the examination. So you can see that the Argo has been earlier it was timeout and got error. After running again, now you can see the Argo has been added to your repository. Now the next part is generate a Helm template of the Argo CD Helm chart version 7.7.3. So first check Helm report ls. Now you can see that repo is added. Check Helm search repo. You can see that it is added. helm chart for Argo City. Now you can see that this is the Argo City chart. Chart for Argo City is added. Now next question. Helm template. Now, so you have to provide the name. In the examination, this name is given that Argo City NS. Okay. So before that, you need to create a namespace. Ctl create namespace Argo City. Our namespace is created. Now run create template. You can check, but you have to copy in the file. You can see all the parameter arguments what are required and template. You can see here. So now run this. If you did enter this, then it will show what is the uses. So just name Argo City, chart name. Chart name, if you see, if you have not noted, then you can run the command helm search sorry this helm repo. Now the chart name is, you have to install Argo City. So chart name is this. Copy. City. Chart name is this. Now version version equal to 7.7.3. Now if the question it is said that Argo cities have CRDs are pre-installed, but in lab you have to install the CRDs, because in exam the CRDs will be already installed. So now first give the name space Argo City, then I can set CRD start install equal to true. In exam you will do it false, and you have to save this in helm argo-helm.yaml and copy argo-helm.yaml. Been done. Now you can check. This is the template. Template is saved. Now last part is install Argo City using helm with release name Argo City using the same version as above and configuration as used in the template. So go to this and you have to basically remove this, and instead of template you have to use install. We take few minutes. Now you can see that it is installed. You can see the name Argo City, namespace, and everything is done. So all the three parts are done. You do not need to configure access to Argo CD save device. So just you do not worry about this. One thing you remember that when you are doing an exam, you have to make it false and everything will be same. So this is the question number 6. In exam, it may be different number of question, may be a different number, but almost same question will come. In exam may be Argo CD, there may be another chart you have been asked to install. So the process will be the same. So that's it for this question and this video. And please subscribe my channel so that you are always updated with the latest and upcoming videos, which are mostly nowadays. Basically, I am trying to give all the questions which came recently in the examination, and if you practice these questions, 100% surety of examination clearance. I'm not talking about how much you will get, it depends on your practice, but try to solve all these questions within 1 hour in your lab examination. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much.